नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हंसा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि मैं करती हूँ सन, मून और राइजिंग पे। तो देखते हैं कि अब जो जुपिटर है सेटल हो चुके हैं, वो हमारे सितारों के लिए क्या कहना चाहते हैं टैरो कार्ड के द्वारा। तो आइए चलते हैं कि मेष राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं कार्ड्स। मेष राशि, well, मेष राशि आपके लिए आया है Knight of Pentacles, which is like you're looking for some good amount of money to come your way so that can settle your life, but it's taking its time, it's slow and steady. दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए है Queen of Pentacles, because you are actually in a place of abundance and you're looking for a beautiful journey ahead in your life after so much of upheaval that has happened with you, and you are actually the Queen of Pentacles, और you can say आपकी ज़िंदगी में Queen of Pentacles आने वाली है, जो कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ और बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिकलिटी भी लेकर आएंगी। उसके साथ में तीसरा कार्ड है मैजिशियन का कार्ड। मैजिशियन यानी कि कुछ मैजिकल होने वाला है, सो प्लीज़ हैंग इन देयर। अगर नाइट ऑफ पेंटिकल है तो कुछ मैजिक होने वाला है, तो ये नाइट ऑफ पेंटिकल्स आपके लिए फ्रूटफुल होगा जब ये मैजिक होगा। सो जस्ट वेट for that time, for that magic to happen. Till that time, keep manifesting, keeping your belief up, and you will see the results in your favor this week, Aries. अब हम चलते हैं, हमारा जो स्पेशल डेक है रोमांस एंजल्स कार्ड्स का। तो रोमांस एंजल कार्ड मेष राशि के लिए क्या कहते हैं, देखते हैं। Separation. Okay, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Okay, so थोड़ा सा लव लाइफ के अंदर आपको थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आने वाली है, because there's a kind of separation that's going to happen in your life, or it could be अगर work related है तो something that you're working with is going to change. So please look into that. That will happen for you this week. अगली राशि है टॉरस यानी कि वृषभ। देखते हैं आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स। वृषभ राशि आपके लिए आया है पहले wow, 5 of cups. 5 of cups is that you're not happy with whatever is happening in your life. आपका काम है, आपका घर है, आपकी पढ़ाई है, education है, whichever department you're looking into, it's not working for you at the moment just because you're not looking the positives, you're only concentrating on the negatives, because ये 5 of cups के अंदर 3 cups गिरे हैं तो 2 पीछे आपके खड़े हैं, तो आप पीछे वालों को देखिए, you will see the light in the darkest cloud that you're in at the moment. दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है wow, 8 of cups. You're walking away. I mean, you're so dejected that you're walking away from the situation that you are in at the moment, which is taking you to the Queen of Cups. So Queen of Cups is like, it's all about the emotional week for you, Taurian, because you are so much into that zone that it's like you're not even practical. So you need to be a little practical this week just because it's too much of emotion. 5 of cups, 8 of cups, Queen of cups. So अगर आप ज़्यादा इमोशनली डील करेंगे इस हफ्ते को, तो you'll be facing a lot of problems, lot of issues. It's time to be a little practical so that you find the solutions to the problem that you're facing at the moment. चाहे वो घर हो, पढ़ाई हो, या आपकी नौकरी हो, business हो, काम पर जो भी हो, you need to be a little practical. That's what the card suggests for you. Now we see what the angels cards have to say for you, and they are saying that pay attention to the red flags. See, it's perfect because you're just emotionally consumed into it, Taurians. So you need to see the red flags. So that means you need to wake up. You need to see the practical way of dealing with the situation, Taurians. That's what the angels message is also for you. अब चलते हैं जेमिनाइज की तरफ, यानी कि मिथुन राशि। देखिए आपके लिए कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं। Wow, superb. You also have got 5 of cups, so again you are a little frustrated, but I think the King of Cups is telling you that don't worry about it because you are in a better place than you were before. So slow and steadily, Geminis, things are changing for you. आपके लिए वक्त बदल रहा है, चीज़ें बदल रही हैं, but you need to be a little more practical towards it, and the card of the world has come. So whatever the cycle of negative worries is coming to an end, Gemini, so that's a good thing. You have to deal everything in a very positive way, and given the COVID times, I will not say a journey is on the thing, but business wise could your travel hai, so that's indicated also for you, Geminis. But the thing is, you have to look to the positive rather than the negatives, because it's all the world is changing around for you at the moment. And let's see what the angels cards have to say for you. Release your ex. All right, the Five of Cups has come. So if you were dealing with something ex, it could be ex job, ex work, ex thinking process, X something which you've been thinking during the COVID time has to happen and is not happening. So you need to release that thing and look for what's there for you at the moment, which is very positive, very beautiful, and very nice, Geminis. So that's the angel message for you, Geminis. God bless you. Let's go to Cancerians. Cancerians, कर्क राशि आपके लिए कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं? Okay, Cancerians आपके लिए आया है the death का card. That is something, some cycle is coming to an end. The time of transformation for you. Things are changing, things are changing, and things are changing. So you have to adapt to the change that is happening in your life, Kark Rashi. Wow, this card is coming in again and again. I'm very surprised. The Five of Cups has come again for Cancerians, 3 back to back. So, okay, the change, transformation is happening and you have to adapt to the change, whether you are thinking of the past which you're leaving behind. But the past has to go for the new things to happen, the new horizon in your life. And that's... The third card has come, the Two of Cups, and the Two of Cups is again, it's a partnership which is going to happen, which is new love is coming up. You have to invest some time in your love relationships also. That's what the card is suggesting for you. It seems to be a very, very mushy week. I don't know why, but it's surprisingly so much of cups is coming. So the time of transformation for you, Cancerians, and you need to look through the practical lens of your life to see how things are unfolding for you this week. And the angel's message for you, Cancerian, is past life relationship. You have known each other before. So this is a past life relationship, whichever is there for you at the moment, Cancerian. So the transformation is happening, things are happening, there's a love there is in your life. So whatever is there with you at the moment, either you're thinking about your past or you're thinking about your ex or anything, but you need to let go so that the new thing can come into your life. That's what the angel is suggesting for you, Cancerians. चलते हैं लियो की तरफ, यानी कि सिंह राशि. सिंह राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं, कार्ड्स देखते हैं. सिंह राशि आपके लिए कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं. Let's see the first card. Okay, it's the Ten of Cups. Wow, again cups. So Ten of Cups is there. It's like you are finally in a zone which is giving you contentment, happiness, and the little सुकून जैसे हम बोलते हैं वो आपकी ज़िंदगी में है इस वक्त. जो Ten of Cups आपके suggest कर रहा है, a very happy content zone. Second card for you is the Queen of Wands. So you're going to be a little intuitive. That's what the card suggesting. Queen of Wands is suggesting. And the ladies for you, you're going to be a little spiritual, intuitive, and also very, very like what we say is matter of creating something new this week. And the third card has come, the Five of Swords. All right, so putting all this thing together, I would say that you are looking for the contentment in your life. You're looking for somebody also that could guide you to be in their life, because you are just holding your pearl that don't bully me anymore, I'm done. Leos, I know you have been into that zone because you're looking for that thing, but for reach that, you are just like, enough is enough. I need my peace, I need my contentment, I need my pace and space. So for that, you need to be a little spiritual and to use your intuitions to guide you so that they work for you. Let's see what the angels God have to say for you, Leos. Wow, honeymoon, let's enjoy the bliss. Well, honeymoon has come for you, but the honeymoon can only happen if you be a little more at the content place that you're looking forward to. So now you have to actually tell the so-called superiors or your bosses or that whosoever is your person you're working under that, can I take a leave? Because I need to have my space and my time. Yes, Leos. अगली राशि है हमारी Virgo. Let's see what the cards have to say for you. Okay, Virgos, आपके लिए पहला कार्ड आता है Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups is that you are a very in a beautiful mood, the female especially, that you will be loving everybody, loving yourself, and you'll be guiding the people in the right way of love, because love is very important. Second card आपके आया है Four of Cups. So Four of Cups is that you are not looking what the God is sending you. You're looking something which you were wanting, but जो ऊपर भगवान आपको भेज रहे हैं उसकी तरफ भी ध्यान दीजिए. हमेशा जो चीज़ आप चाहते हैं वो आपके लिए सही नहीं होती. एज वी ऑलवेज से अपने मन का हो तो अच्छा, अपने मन का ना हो तो बहुत अच्छा. एंड द थर्ड कार्ड हैज़ कम फॉर यू, Three of Wands. So Three of Wands is also suggesting you that whatever you're waiting for is coming your way, but you have to open your eyes, look towards it, so that you can receive what is for you. So that is what the cards have to say for Virgos, Kanya Rashi, and let's see what is the angel message for them. Angel message for them is forgiving and learning. Beautiful cards, Virgos. So you need to let go, let God. You need to forgive whatever has not worked for you. You have to forgive yourself also. Open the new chapter of learning, because we can keep learning till we die. So what you need to do is that you need to forgive everybody around, whosoever has not served your purpose, whosoever has not done you right also. You need to forgive, and you have to start learning the new way of living this, the new normal, which is post-COVID, which is happening to all of us. Libras, let's see what the cards have to say for you. Tula Rashi. Tula Rashi, आपके लिए cards क्या कहते हैं? Let's see. Okay. The first card is, wow, Seven of Pentacles, Tula Rashi. Seven of Pentacles is, look, you're worried about the money. You're looking for something that you work very hard and that is not taking shape as you want them to. So education wise people, जो students हैं वो लोग अपनी पढ़ाई को देख रहे हैं कि अभी सब कुछ कर लिया, what's the next chapter, how are we going to proceed in our studies and all that. और अगर आपने कोई इंटरव्यू दे रखा है तो आप उसके इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. दूसरा है Queen of Wands आपके लिए. So you have worked hard, you're going to be very very intuitive, the females, all the males, anybody. It's a sign of intuition, it's a kind of spirituality, it's a sign for if you need some mentor or some guide to help you to in this very trying times, you always can look up to them, they will guide you correctly. Third card has come to you, beautiful Six of Wands. Okay, so all said and done, there is a kind of happiness for you, Tula Rashi, that is bringing some cheer in your life, because अगर आप काम की तरफ देख रहे हैं तो कुछ आपके लिए रिजल्ट आने वाला है, but you have to use your intuition for that, and also please chant some prayers so that the desired results that you're looking for will happen for you. And what is the angel message for you? Well, let's see. It is safe to love. So it is safe for you to love is a beautiful card which is telling you, Tula Rashi, कि आप प्यार करेंगे, खुद से भी प्यार करेंगे, लोगों से प्यार करेंगे, सबसे प्यार करेंगे. It's a beautiful thing. Spread love. अब चलते हैं स्कॉर्पियो. स्कॉर्पियोज, वृश्चिक, क्या कहते हैं लिए आपके कार्ड्स? लेट्स सी. Everybody is going through a lot of trying time. Let's see what Vrishchik have for you. Lovers card Vrishchik आपके लिए आया है. तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में प्यार है, मोहब्बत है जो आने वाली है. आप प्लीज़ nurture everything that is coming into your life. Even for you, presently आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो भी लाइफ है उसको आप प्यार दीजिए, nurture कीजिए, because that is the way forward. Second card आपके लिए आया है. All right, you have also got the card of Eight of Cups. So you're also walking away from the time that's happening, which is a good thing. And also the card of Nine of Wands has come. So basically, it's a time for Vrishchik Rashi Scorpios that you are going to have love into your life, but somewhere you're not going to be happy with that. So you're going to walk away with that. Yeah. And also you're safeguarding your self-respect in the relationship that you are in at the moment, Scorpios. Yes. As far as any work or any work culture or anything else is concerned in your life, that's again you're guarding it. Like, you know, I have done it right. I have served the purpose. I've been there. Now no more. So enough is enough. So you want to be in love, you have to toe my way, or otherwise that's the door. Well, yeah, that's what is the card suggesting for you, because sometimes it's enough is enough. And let's see what the angels have to say for you. Worth waiting for. Wow. So okay, the worth waiting for is also good. अगर सपोज करिए आपके लिए जो लवर्स का कार्ड आया था, अगर वो कोई नया शख्स है या नई ज़िंदगी में कोई नया प्यार आने वाला है, that must be the good one for you. So you're closing an old chapter which has not served you, has not worked for you, because thanks to COVID, a lot of relationships have gone kaput. So whatever the new is coming into your life, embrace it and say thank you, God. चलते हैं Sagittarius की तरफ. Wow, Sagittarius, last time also you had a good card. Let's see what is coming this time. Sagittarius, let's see what is a card for you. Oh, Tower. Okay, the Tower का card आया है आपके लिए. कुछ होने वाला है जो आपके मन मुताबिक नहीं है, which you're not going to be very happy about. Then the card of King of Swords. So you need to take a very practical look whatever is not happening in your life, so that you can take a wise decision. And the, oh God, the Strength card has come. So basically this week for you is little demanding, little challenging for you, Sagittarius, because some things are not working, something has happened which has not been good as per your requirement or needs or demand. And the King of Swords is asking you to be really taking a very practical look towards that particular situation in your life. And the Strength card is there, which is asking a physical, emotional and financial strength too. So all these things are very challenging. The only good side is that you need to look at them not emotionally but practically, so that it's easier to be dealing with the situation that you are in. The Angels card for you, engagement. All right. Engagement is something like a breather in between, where we say that the first step towards a relationship is getting engaged. So if your work is there, some business proposition is there, you might make a little beginning towards it if you only think practical about it, but nothing emotional on this front. This is a very practical time for you, Sagittarius. So this is what the engagement card is telling for you. Move to Capricorn. Capricorns आपके लिए cards क्या कहते हैं, देखते हैं. Capricorn यानी कि मकर. Let's see. Oh, the Strength card for you also, Capricorn. So you need to have the physical, emotional patience and the strength that you need because of all that is happening around you in your life. And please do take care of your health also. Wow, the Three of Swords has come for you, so you need a lot of emotional balance in your life. And the Page of Swords has come, so there is some movement somewhere, some message coming your way, but it's not serving you. So just lie low at the moment, go with the flow, don't think much, don't be irrational, because this is all asking you to be rational and at peace, whatever you're doing, because that will work out. And do take care of your health, because if you take too much of stress, it's not going to serve you in any which way. So that's what the tarot message is for you. And the message from the angels for you is chemistry. There is a strong attraction somewhere. All right, so maybe your work or whatever you're doing or your relationship, there's a Three of Swords that has come for you. So that is there, but you need to take everything in stride at the moment rather than thinking jumping into it. Slow and steady wins the race. That's what the card suggests for you. Now we move on to Aquarian. Let's see what the cards have to say for you. Okay. Well, the first card has come for you is the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is telling you that you again at the situation, at the position, safeguarding. Maybe you're saying the less of the money with you and you cannot do much, so you will take a very decisive practical decisions in your business. And the card of Two of Pentacles has also come for you. The Two of Pentacles is that you're trying to juggle between the businesses, you're trying to juggle between your personal and professional life. You're trying to juggle into your spiritual and practical side of life. So it's all juggling, and you're holding strong to whatever you want to hang on to. And the Ace of Cups has also come for you. The Ace of Cups is suggesting that you're gonna be new beginning, some emotional, because it's all the three energies are there for you. The energy of creation, the energy of practical, the energy of emotion. So you're going to balance it out this week. So I will suggest that please take it easy and don't rush into anything. And let's see what the angels have to say for you. Calling your soulmate, calling in for your soulmates. Beautiful card. So when you get lost, you look inside you. That's the first soulmate for you. So when you look inside, you will find answers. And if you are married and you have somebody to talk to them to find solutions to the problem that you are going through at the moment, and share your views to them. That's what the card are suggesting for you. Now we move to the Pisces, the last Rashi, which is Meen Rashi. आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं cards? Let's see. Meen Rashi. Let's see. Pisces, the water sign. Alright, it is a time for 8 of Pentacles for you. So you're really working hard. You're really working hard to whatever you're achieving. So that's what the card says. You have to work hard to achieve your goals and all. The second card has come of the Moon. So you are very anxious because you're working hard. You want to see the results. You want to see the labor of your love to be fructification of that. Let's see, the third card is the Four of Wands. So totality, I would say you're anxious, so don't be anxious, because your work, your mehnat will pay result. The Four of Wands will happen this week. So अगर आप अपनी एंजाइटी को थोड़ा दूर रखेंगे, अपने स्ट्रेस को दूर रखेंगे, you will be at peace with yourself and your soul, and you will find a little celebration coming your way. Do not feel that your labor is not being answered by the God. It is. So just hang in there, pray to the Almighty, have gratitude, and also do not feel at all that you're not being looked after. That's what the tarot card says for you. And let's see what the angels have to say for you, Pisces. You deserve love. All right, you deserve love, Pisces. Of course, beautiful card. So please open your heart, receive the love wherever it's coming from. Everything, it doesn't need to be perfect. There's nothing called perfection in our life. So you just need to take whatever coming your way. You need to adapt the change which is coming your way. You need to just open your arms and say, yes, I'm ready. Now is the time to see what the universe has, your back deck has to say for all of us, to guide us this week. And let's see what it has to say. Okay, I'm a spirit having a human experience, and I'm here to get closer to love. This has come earlier also. So I'm telling you, love is a beautiful language, and the whole week has been about the love only, nothing else. Every sun sign, every moon, every rising is all about love this week. So please, 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 whatever situation we are going through in our lives at the moment, we can only deal with love. There is no other way about it. The love, the compassion, the caring, the nurturing. That's all we have to do, because thanks to COVID, everything has been way too demanding to all of us. So now it is a time for all of us to just breathe and just give it out, exhale the toxins, and just take the love. And that shall nurture you. Well, with that, we come back to the end of this episode, where I say thank you so very much, and God bless you all, and thank you for all the beautiful comments you keep writing in on my Instagram, on my YouTube. And yes, I am grateful to universe for making me do all this. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste.